Hey Maxfield, it's George and this is my data sampler. So I have the code all right here and it does everything that it needs to with a little bit more. I put a couple twists on it for the command window stuff. So as we can see, if I press and hold the button, I need to start it first. Okay, now if I press and hold the button to switch between each one of these three sensors, I have something that tells me how many seconds has elapsed, so I can judge which one I want. And then when I let go, it'll tell me how many seconds it's running and what my voltage is. So that was my photoresistor, and it gives me a graph with the voltage by the time right there. So I just added those things to make it easier for people to use. So switching between these, first up we have the thermo temperature gauge. So that would be a less than 1 second. So if I press it for less than 1 second, I get the thermo reader, and it's kind of wonky. This is the only one that was really wonky for me. I fixed the photoresistor. It turns out I was using the wrong one. But this is the right temperature gauge, and I mean, it's giving me a voltage of constant because I didn't really change the temperature. I can't change the temperature of the room at will. But that is my graph, and that's the command window. I'll do that again so you can get a better look at it. Oh yeah, it also says what's selected. I forgot about that. That's pretty neat. And then again, the graph of voltage times time. Alright, now to select the next one, which is the photoresistor. That is a more than 2 second hold, and the photoresistor is selected, and I can use a flashlight in my hand to change the voltage on the photoresistor. The more light, the less voltage. We're gonna do that again just so that you can see. There we are. There's our command window, and there's our graph. And finally, we have the middle one, the force sensor. So I'll go ahead and select that. And you can see that when I press it, the voltage goes up. There's my graph of voltage times time. And then I'm going to give it a squeeze, a hard squeeze. And you can see when I give it a hard squeeze, I pulled it off. Apologies. Goes back in there, get back in there. All right. And then now I can start it again. I'll give it a squeeze. You can see we are up there. And that is my data sampler. Thank you very much. I will be working on Lab 6.